We're having fun.
Where'd you get that egg from? I don't know. People call me that. Huh?
Aislinn, it don't go towards the end. All right, there.
Come on, Cassandra. Julia!
Woo!
Fine, Albert!
No! You did it wrong. It's, hey, 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 it's Fat Albert.
Gonna try to hit Aislinn. Aislinn, stay right there.
Hey, baby.
I'm gonna hit you. I'm gonna hit you.
Do it.
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Yeah.
Yeah. You moved! You moved, Aislinn!
Oh, well, me and Cassie are going to go together.
Am I going first?
Yep, one of my duct tape came off.
Oh no.
Oh, the soap's coming down.
Go.
Come on, Julia.
Where's your Band-Aid?
Go.
Yeah,
Slid down. Oh, God.
How am I supposed to go down?
like, you're doing like a V stretch.
V stretch.
Yeah.
Come on.
Really?
Yeah.
Quick. I'm just gonna like slide down just slow. I don't wanna go fast.
I think I have it to where we got the end too, so it's at the end.
Ow! Pop something. Oh, well.
Don't push me. Don't.
Think we need to have like a race or something.
I think we need more soap.
When you think, go slide down the farthest.
Okay. How we do is in our sacks.
I'll go.
Sacks?
Ask people to understand.
Aislinn.
Let's get Aislinn soapy.
Whew. Gotta get it on her butt.
Yes, there.
Your butt, I mean your back is really soapy.
It is. That's right. Something.
This is right, like I'm a porn star or something back.
You never know.
You will never know.
What's on my back? I got soap in the eye!
Stay. Stay. I'm gonna hit you this time. Don't roll over.
Okay.
Oh!
I didn't roll over, I promise. What if you can carry me all up the hill? I'll be like, drag me.
Okay. Wait, up this hill?
Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
No, you don't do it on the city side.
Okay, good, because I was gonna say. Okay. Oh, Lord.
Oh, no.
Hey. I take your band instead of this.
Oh! That's my Andrea bracelet.
I win.
Okay, Cassie, get up.
Mom, watch! Ready for this?
So you can slide the farthest. Stay where you are.
There we are. City slide farther.
Yeah. Your turn.
Go.
My turn. Yeah. Alright.
Yeah.
Lord.
You're in this one. Hey, do you have any waterproof Band-Aids?
I win.
No!
Let's have her smack this boat. Ready? Okay.
Smack, go. We gotta be. Don't come down this way.
When we were,
We did.
me and Aislinn did a V. We did a choo-choo train. Wait, ready?
You gotta smack us both in the face with your hands. Cassie, please smack me.
Are you ready? Are you making a video?
Hang on.
What are you making?
Don't know yet. Oh! I don't have it on yet.
Oh, I can't do it again.
Gotta do it again. Make crazy faces this time.
What?
Make
Okay.
a crazy face. Oh my gosh.
That was perfect because I did it really good.
You got to slap us in the face.
Aislinn?
Slap in the face.
What feet? If you were to
Oh,
slap,
no, don't.
I'm scooting over.
You gotta go right here.
Okay, I'll try.
Belly slap, not feet first.
Okay, it's her turn.
Ow. You okay? Your butt hit my head.
I hit my head.
That was funny.
Off the
That
ground.
was hilarious. She like did a flip. I'm slapping you this
Okay,
time.
I don't think my phone can see us from all the way down here.
Hang on. It's not going. What happened?
Well, it's empty out soap.
Okay, I'm gonna try to go between you two.
No.
Yeah.
Where else are we gonna go?
Slide over top of you.
Oh. Oh yeah. Oh, she almost did it. She almost did it.
Alright.
Ready?
Wait the camera.
It's not doing what we were doing earlier. Let me soapy-tize it with my body.
Maybe it needs more water.
What if someone we could like surf down it? Like,
So, oh my gosh.
Wait, I want to try it. Wait, I was kind of sliding.
Oh, Lord.
She has socks on. That's the worst thing to do.
Any medical thing.
waterproof band-aids.
Don't do it to socks.
You ready?
Okay, I already feel like a
She
little
has
ball.
socks on, so she might have advantage of falling or something. Now we're out of soap again.
Oh well, ready?
Yeah.
That's pretty fun.
It is. You know, every time we go down it, we slide it down farther, and then the water hose like gets off of it.
Ready? Got this.
You almost said a split.
My vagina was just like 4 days to do that.
Face planted.
I didn't face plant that time, but ow. Let's just. I don't think I'm gonna have any skin left by the time we get done.
On our knees, especially. Those knees are like skinning up more in this one.
We've been going for 8 minutes with this video.
No,
Go.
do it.
Oh, let's do it. Our backs. Ready? Well, I guess you go.
No, because that's how I hit my face. I
Okay.
promise you, that's how I hit my face.
Go backward?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going like right at you. Ow.
Boom. Boom. Snap.
This is fun.
Beat you again.
Huh?
Beat you again. Go.
Oh.
I'm not going near you. Who do you want to hit you? Me? I'll try.
My turn.
You're like right there. That hurt, man.
down. Let's do this.
Wait, let's be a surfer. Let's be surfers again. So we gotta go faster.
Oh
my God.
Lord.
Come on, Julia.
Bubble! Aw.
Go. Ah, that's not gonna work.
Be a surfer. Come on.
What if we did like some kind of handstand?
I can't do that.
Ow! She wiped out.
Help me up.
That's all on camera.
Oh well. My the only one that can be a surfer. Watch me fall, son.
Nope. Not the only one.
What are you doing every time? Wait, let's be Chinese people.
Oh, I about fell.
Ready, Chinese? Chinese?
That's not Chinese.
It's like,
That's not Japanese.
I don't know what that is.
Oh, wow.
Oh, we're supposed to be making fun of people on this video, Aislinn.
Yeah, Aislinn, racist.
What?
Racist.
I'm not being racist.
I'm pregnant! Just kidding. But I am fat.
Oh,
Just
man.
I
You
just-
move.
Ready? Wiggle, yeah.
Pull your shirt up off your stomach. You might have a bubble, because I feel... Look at that bubble! Wait, ready? Aislinn, see that bubble? Make my shirt stick out.
Want to go take my legs out from me?
Oh, I want to.
Let's do it.
Oh crap, you fall right on top of me.
Let's do it. Okay.
Okay.
Look how wide I am, Aislinn.
So am I.
Get down farther. Like right on the blue.
Watson won't be much of a fall.
I don't know.
Come on.
Wherever you want to stand,
These
doesn't
are
matter.
my favorite underwear I'm wearing. I hope they don't tear up.
My underwear were light blue, now they're dark purple. I mean, purple, they're purple.
Because the soap.
I'm gonna take you. Okay.
Might want to go feet first.
And go head first.
Okay. That was good.
And that was on video!
You suck. You're gonna crush
Hey!
Hey! Canadian, hey!
Come on, she does it.
Wait, where's my secret sprinkle?
This is fun.
Do that, that's fun.
What is
She
it?
hurt your knees. Just have them wait.
Oh. Right, here's the Aislinn move.
Oh, don't do that. Don't go down that way, you'll hit your head. Get you some. You know, the more you put that one hose on there, the less soap you get. Come slide.
Okay.
Slide right to my legs.
I thought you could like fall on top of me. That's Move.
Maybe I want a thing of water. Look how dirty that is. Man, we dirty. You should tell your mom this is our shower for the night. Okay. She's not gonna let it go by though, I know, Mom. I'm gonna fix that too. Oh well. Ready?
What?
Aislinn, we should go down like on top of each other. Stack.
Okay, ready? I'll lay down bottom. Oh!
Want me to go?
Don't top me. Don't double top me.
I'm not.
Softly. It feels so weird.